Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to use Instagram stories for beginners. For that we need to go to Instagram, click on your story plus symbol. So I was taking a picture. Oh, we have uh, different types of options. Here we have text, add text. Uh, Here we have a mention symbol also. If you like to mention means like this, you need to mention. And here we need to text Tom and Jerry. I was texting that Tom and Jerry. It's a text symbol. It's a emoji symbol. Here we need to add means location means just add it. Next, here add your prompt. I was click on Tom and Jerry. It's a prompt. Click on add. If you they will like means they will add yours. This is the questions. Do you like Tom and Jerry? Tom and Jerry. If they like means they will answer your question. It is a poll. If you like this cotton, if you like this Tom and Jerry, it is a poll. It is hashtag symbol. It is a countdown. We have different types of features on Instagram. It is a filters. Done. It is a music symbol. The- These are the beginners for Instagram account. For stories also. Thank you.